first and foremost, I'm going to take this thin velvet blue belt, and as you can see, the jumpsuit has a defined belt here, and I'm going to wear this belt on this waist bit. This also happens to be the tiniest part of my waist. I'm going to wear the belt on this part to define the shape of my body. See, now I'm not getting lost in the animal print. Securing this belt on my waist was the first part, and now I'm going to move to the second step. So here it is. I'm going to take this beautiful coral pink blazer, and this is what I'm wearing on top of the jumpsuit. So yeah, this look is pretty perfect for the summertime, and as you can see, this trend of the rolled up sleeves and exposed stuff is pretty great too for the summertime. And now you can see how it looks. This is how it looks, and I must say that the colors, the grey and blue and this royal blue belt and this coral blazer, this is a beautiful juxtaposition of colors, and I think this blazer is bringing the whole look together. But that's not all. I have to accessorize myself, so I'll show you what I've done with accessories in here. So guys, these are the earrings that I'm going to be wearing with this outfit. Aren't they really pretty? I love them. So guys, this is my final look. This clutch is the last element and the final element, and this is how my look is going to look like.
So guys, this is my animal print dress. I'm gonna add first step to my dress and the look. So guys, the first step, I'm adding this thin yellow belt around my waist like this to add color and to give shape to my body, an hourglass shape, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn around this belt like this to give a little edgy look. So this yellow belt is adding color to my outfit and giving shape to my body. That's the first step. Now the second step. So on to my second step. I'm adding this dark denim jacket to my outfit. I'm wearing this dark denim jacket with my animal print dress with the sleeves rolled up. So this is my look, but I have to add accessories to my look. So at fun, I have accessorized my outfit with this statement bronze neck piece. Now to complete my look, I'm wearing my nude heels with this outfit. You can also opt for black ones instead. To complete my look, I am carrying this tan sling bag. So final touch to my outfit is this stunning gold and silver watch. This is my complete look.
So guys, this is my second look. It's a completely different outfit, but all I've done here is use my jumpsuit as a top. And I'm wearing this faux leather circle skirt with pleats on it, and on top of it I have used the same blue velvet belt which I have used in my last look. And the trick is where you put the belt. You have to actually wear the belt on the thinnest part of your waist to give the desired hourglass shape. For my body type and height, this skirt works brilliantly because it's giving me the desired hourglass shape. And for accessories, I have worn these black earrings. And to show them off, I have scooped my hair in a tight, high bun, just like this. And this actually frames my face and shows my earrings. And also, I'm wearing this chunky statement black ring. And that's all the accessories I'm sporting today because the look in itself is quite powerful. And to bring my whole look together, I'm finally carrying this black rectangular clutch. It's just a simple, plain black leather clutch, and I'm not going very ornate with my clutch here because otherwise a lot is happening in my look. And that is my final look, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my look.
So guys, here's my second look. I have a dress, now I have a skirt. All I have done is folded my dress into this high-waisted V-length skirt with this black vest underneath. And to give a more formal and corporate look, I have added this black blazer. So to accessorize my look, I have added this thin blue belt around my waist to give my body a shape and to add color to my outfit. With this, I am wearing this blue and gold statement neck piece with this look. This is F4 Watt look. And to complete my look, I'm carrying this lovely black and beige bag. This completes my look, and I'm ready to go and work hard.
Guys, time for my final look. It's time to turn this jumpsuit into short. All I've done is worn this black shirt on top of this jumpsuit, and there you go. It's a completely different outfit, isn't it? So there are two ways to wear a shirt on top of a jumpsuit. Either you can tuck it and then belt it, or you can leave it untucked like this. I have gone ahead and left it untucked because this is more suitable for my body type and it's giving me more shape. And I have worn this orange belt, bright orange belt, on the tiniest part of my waist to highlight the waist and give my body definition and shape. And heels remain the same. And to accessorize, I have stacked up a lot of arm candy with my wristwatch. And I'm also wearing this chunky gold ring. And finally, this bright orange clutch completes my look. It matches with the belt and I'm ready to go out with my friends for dinner.
So guys, this is my third and final look. I work hard to party harder. I have folded this dress in such a way that it is now ultra short dress. I've secured this with the same blue belt I was wearing in my last look and cleaned this up with this coral blazer. For accessories, I'm going all gold here. I'm wearing this statement gold neck piece with this lots of gold bangles and my gold silver watch. So to complete my look and rock the party tonight, I'm going to carry this black and gold clutch. So guys, this is my complete look. Hope you like it.